学生学生学生 is mean student. I see here we have the example like this. 弟はまだ中学生です。弟はまだ中学生です。It means my younger brother is still a middle school student. My younger brother is still a middle school student. As in here, 学 is mean learn or study something. So we just say it mean the person, right, or the life. So when we put the kanji of gaku, we just say it mean somebody that or something that have a life, learn something. So in here they say student. But gakusei just means student. But in this sentence we see that ju gakusei. Ju is mean middle school. Middle. Ju is mean in the middle. So when you put the meaning that middle with the noun that gakusei, right? Gakusei means student. So it means that the student in the middle, that's mean the middle school student. So in this you can put in form of the gakusei, like even to say about the upper secondary school student can say ko gakusei, right? Ju gakusei. Ju is mean middle, ko is mean higher or high school student. So you can say ko gakusei is mean high school student. And when you want to say about primary school, you can say shou gakusei. Shou gakusei is mean primary school. Shou is mean the beginner, right? Or the beginning of something. So it means primary school student. It's not middle school student. And when you want to say about high school student, it means ko gakusei. And in here we have the new word like ototo. Ototo is mean younger brother. So in here they have 弟はまだ中学生です。It means my younger brother is still a middle school student. So every time when you learn the Japanese, when you learn one kanji, you should know how to create the compound word by using the kanji. You see here we have the word gakusei, right? You just remember only the kanji, you cannot learn Japanese faster. So you don't know how to create the word, how to create a sentence. So that it's difficult for you to remember Japanese kanji. So the easy way to learn Japanese kanji, you have to know how to create the compound noun by using that kanji. For example, you can say gakusei, right? Gaku is from the kanji of today we learning. Gaku or manabu. This means learning or studying. But first, you should know the onyomi reading and the kunyomi reading, such as gaku is mean onyomi reading, and kunyomi reading like manabu, right? It mean learn, and the meaning too is really important. Sometimes you just see the kanji, but you don't know how to read, but you know the meaning, so that you can guess that kanji mean like this.